All right, this is a trim for the driver's side windshield on my 2004 Honda. This piece was not attached, and right here these were glued, and you'll probably see that on the when I install it in the video here, or at least when I show you what it looked like. So I decided to order one from Schottner or whatever in Huntsville, and they got me the part, and here's the information on it. It's called an assembly left front WS for windshield, garnish, I guess garnish. Anyway, so I'm going to disconnect it, or actually unwrap it, so we can see what a correct one looks like. I'm certain when they changed the windshield, because it was an old vehicle, that some of the parts, some of the connections broke. Let's see what this looks like. Okay, let me turn this around so they match. Starting at the top, you have these three pieces that have molding that's flared. All right, so the way this actually is supposed to fit is like so. And these are the releases. We move down, you see there's nothing on the next spot, then they have one in place right here. We come down, see there's nothing there. Then we have one in place here, white, just like the one at the start, followed by one that is pink at the end. And it says 4L on both of those. So that's what it looks like, a new one. So if you're looking for one that's OEM, and this is OEM, that's what it looks like. Okay, here is the windscreen. I just love it. Couldn't get the stuff to stick, and now I can't get it off. Stand by. All right, you can see this was the upper, the white one that came off. You'll see right here the next one, and it has sticky glue in it. The next one and the next one, they basically put in caulking. Let me remove these. Okay, let's see. Taking a look here, I got the rubber sealant out. This is all metal. These are the plastic pieces. I've cleaned it up and blew it out. And now this installs like so. Okay, and I'm going to install it. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but here we go. Looking good.